Alright, what is going on? It is Jezzi. I did not take a trade today, but I have to mark up some levels. So, you know what? Why not make a video of me marking my levels and reasoning behind it? So, a lot of people get super curious. What are all these random yellow lines on my chart or trading view? They are just my levels. Levels are how I trade. I trade level to level and break and retests of certain zones. What do I mean by certain zones? Smaller time frame support and resistance, trading ranges, breakouts. Simple as that. You know, it's not super simple, but it is a super consistent way to trade, and I like it a lot. So, wow, that's actually pretty funny that I just kind of randomly put these lines there, and they are damn near exactly where I probably would have put them. So, let's get started. First level I'm definitely going to be marking is going to be this 521 point. I'll do 521.7 because we have a big rejection right here with a wickless candle. We have a one touch, two touch, three touches on just this zone here. That is definitely going to be marked. That is a strong resistance now being used as a super strong support. Why do I do high time frames? Because smaller time frames are going to show a lot more levels of support and resistance, but higher time frames are going to show like a more broader and stronger levels. So A, less lines, and B, I can find bigger gaps to be filled, and that is how I take sizely trades. I take 200% trades, 100% trades, average like 40, 50% trades, which is a lot higher than a lot of people. So, just looking. Mm, I'm gonna look at previous. Oh well, this is a new all-time high, so that is exactly why I am marking. So yeah, that's definitely going to get marked right here. Now I'm gonna scale down because I don't really see anything else on the 30 minute besides here. So I'm gonna scale down. Also gonna mark this all-time high candle close because that is going to be used in the future. Yeah, now I'm going to scale down to the 15 minute because I don't really see much of anything left on the 30 minutes. So now scaling down to the 15 minute, I can fine tune these levels that I had marked on the 30 minute. So as you can see, it wasn't exactly where I would have wanted it to, but we can see on a 15 minute, we have the candle close here and the candle close here. So I'm going to move that right around here, like a happy median between both. That looks good. This I'm actually not going. I'm gonna delete this because this. I only really like to mark pre-market highs and pre-market lows or pre-market opens. Like if it's a wickless candle on the open, I'm marking that for sure because A, it could just refill. If it's higher up and it dumps, it could just refill back up into market open. Or if it's high or if it's low and it trends up pre-market, then I'm looking for puts back down to that wickless candle on the bottom. So yeah, honestly, not that many levels to be marked. And we can see if we scaled on the 30 minute, 15 minute, and 5 minute, they all look really good. Strong resistance, strong support, strong resistance, good support, touch, touch, resistance, support, support, big touch here, and potential, and I will temporarily mark this level here, right there. Because if we do have puts, if it breaks through this level, I'm looking for puts. If it breaks through this level, again, I'm looking through puts. And if it breaks through this level here, I'm looking for a take profit of this zone here. Actually, I'm going to move it up to like right there because as we can see, it came all the way down here, touched, and rejected right back up. So this is a target area I'm looking. So yeah, if you are watching this video, I'm going to put these levels right now in my group, actually. Boom. I'm going to screenshot this and put these levels in my group. 523.25, 521.93, 521.16, 520.13, keeping a close eye on 518.28, and then 518.28. Boom. Sending those in the group. QQQ levels on watch. Okay, yeah, that concludes, honestly, not a super long video. That concludes how I mark my levels and how I just kind of scale down. Start high time frames, scale down to lower time frames, adjust them as they get smaller. And yeah, that is how I mark my levels. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your night.